All right, here are 3 ways that you can cook these delicious pink oyster mushrooms. If you don't know, my name is Sean Henry. I'm from Hi-Fi Mycology, and if you're interested in growing these mushrooms, which are very easy to do, go ahead and click the link in our bio. Okay, first is gonna be the dry saute. You just harvest, chop, hit in a dry pan with nothing in it until the moisture releases. Then you add your fat, salt, and flavors. I like to use butter and garlic, but it's a very simple way to do this. Second, maybe my favorite way is fajitas. These mushrooms are amazing as fajitas with some poblano peppers and onions, super hot, dry pan, a little bit of salt, let it go, then add your oil. Delicious. Okay, number 3 is gonna be toppings on a pizza. It's another super easy way to get that mushroomy flavor. You just go some red sauce, a little bit of cheese, and your sliced mushrooms, throw it in the pizza oven, and you are good to go. I hope these tips help, and let me know if you have any other suggestions.